Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is the January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. What are the messages for Leo? What are the messages for? Ace of Swords, the Lovers and Hermit. Six of Cups, reconciliation if you're in separation and you're feeling strong soulmate connection or past life connection with someone. Yeah. And Six of Cups, love, reconciliation is coming towards you. Yeah. It is all about love. So let's see, Leo, your reading. In recent past, the Lovers, Hermit and Ace of Swords. I think the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Gemini especially. Okay, let's see. So the Lovers, definitely there is love between both of you guys, but something has happened. Maybe you are undergoing some transformation. Leo, you are not talking to your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest guys. Ace of Swords, some communication, some truth coming out. Then after maybe one person not talking to the other person in this connection, I think it could be you. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening, but there is love between both of you because the Lovers card is here. So yeah, there is no contact between both of you right now for some. Let's see what's going right now. Ten of Swords, Page of Swords and Knight of Swords. Yeah, your person want to come back towards you and Knight of Swords energy they are in. Yeah, they're rushing towards you and they want rebirth in this connection and they're spying on you on social media because Page of Swords, some communication is coming in your way, Leo. And Ten of Swords, maybe you want to end this with your person. Yeah, even though it is feeling very painful, but you decided to move on from this person, what I'm getting here, but they're coming back to you because Knight of Swords energy, maybe they are not consistent in your relationship. There is no consistency. Maybe this is on and off relationship. They will come when they want, they will go when they want. That type of energy I'm getting here. So I think your person not committed in past, that's why you decided to move on. For some you still want rebirth in this connection. Okay, so in near future, Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, you stand by your power, you achieved balance, you taking your power back, Leo. You are like this now. Yeah, you achieved your power back. And Page of Pentacles, message, communication, apology is coming in your way. Maybe they want to test the waters before coming towards you. And Five of Wands energy, definitely there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person right now. Yeah, lot of drama. So what I'm getting here, after transformation, you realize you both, you are taking your power back and you stand by your power. Yeah, but they're coming back with an apology. They may be spying on you on social media. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Virgo, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Sorry guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. So under the deck, Three of Cups, they really want reconciliation with you. They want celebration with you. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings. Yeah. Who? See? Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Fool. They want brand new beginning with you. They want to take leap of faith. They really sincere this time. They really want to work on this relationship because Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Fool. Wow. Maybe you are not in separation with this person. They want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. So take what is it and leave the rest. If you are in separation, really they want to start you again, okay, with you, and they want reconciliation with you. They want to take leap of faith. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Yeah, lot of drama. Yeah, waiting game, maybe Page of Pentacles, apology, message. Five of Wands, there is lot of drama is going between you and your person. Yeah, they're still hoping for this connection. If you are in separation, they're still hoping that you will give second chance to them. And Three of Wands, yeah, they're waiting patiently. Maybe they're waiting for your call, maybe they're waiting for your text. Yeah, but they're really hoping, still they're hoping for this connection. If you're separation, they really want to work on this relationship. These are their intentions, means the feelings. Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Fool. But action wise, they're still hoping. Okay, there is a lot of drama, but you will get some communication from your person, and they will text you, they will call you, because Page of Pentacles 2 times here. Yeah, so the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you, Leo. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. I want one more card. Yeah, your person may be juggling the moon under the deck. Maybe your person, there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you. That's why you decided to move on for some. Yeah, maybe they're feeling like it is hard work for them. Because 10 of Swords with 10 of Wands and 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, they're juggling between head over heart. What I'm getting. So, yeah. Maybe your person right now busy, that's why the waiting game is. Yeah, they still want to work on this relationship. Their feelings are reconciliation with you, but actions, they're still hoping but not taking any action, because these are not action cards. But they still want reconciliation with you but not taking any action, because they're juggling, still they are juggling, but want rebirth in this connection. Yeah, even though it is feeling hard work for them. That's why I think you're, because action speaks louder than words. They are not taking action, but they're thinking about reconciliation. They're hoping but not doing. Yeah, see, 7 of Swords. Yeah, you are feeling sad for the separation, and 7 of Swords. Yeah, your person sneaky played game with you. Again, the Fool. Maybe you decided to start your life over again, and you want to go with the flow. Yeah, you are in this energy also, Leo. Yeah, you started something new in your life. Yeah, 7 of Swords. Yeah, they maybe manipulate you. They played games with you. For some, it could be third party situation also. Yeah, you are feeling sad for the separation, but you decided to move on. They're hoping but not taking any action. That's why you are moving on. What I'm getting here. But you overcome this pain. Yeah. Leo, let's see your overall energy. Strong Virgo energy is here. One person in this connection could be Virgo. Let's say. So Leo, let's see your overall energy for the week. Yeah, you stand by your power. King of Wands. Juggling. Maybe you also juggling. 5 of Swords and the Fool again. Yeah, I think you decided to move on from this connection which doesn't serve anymore. And 5 of Swords. Yeah, you leaving this connection behind you and moving towards something new in your life. Yeah, you decided, maybe in past you are juggling, but now you stand by your power. You're choosing yourself. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. I think they will try again. See, they are sneaky. Definitely one person in this connection is sneaky. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate. I'm getting strong, sneaky energy, sneaky type Messages, King of Cups, Six of, yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now they want to offer this love to you, but it's too late what I'm getting here, because you decided to move on, because they played in so many games in past. Yeah, they will try again and again, they will send messages to you, but it's up to you. But this person, if you know this person is sneaky, played games with you, please don't give another chance. So a lot of air energy, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. It's time to take action. Yeah. So it's a message for this reading. So if you, the person not taking action, it is the time to take action. If you want to achieve anything in your life, so it is the time to take action. So okay, if the other person in this reading watching, so if you are hoping reconciliation, but you have to take action. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.